Hi, I'm Diana. Today we have a video that's so big it had to be split into a three-part series, and that is how to craft a unique wardrobe. A wardrobe that makes you feel like you and no one else. So unique, no one else has it. How does she do it? Maybe with these 15 principles. I'm going to tell you the one thing you need to be looking for, and also the one piece of advice you won't hear anywhere else. And at the same time, this is a giant thrift haul. It's like everything all at once. There might be kittens. Let's go. The one thing you need to keep in mind when shopping for a unique wardrobe that you are going to love is to look for details. I know that sounds boring. It is totally not. What I mean is, you might pick up a t-shirt and say, oh, this is cute, I need a normal t-shirt. No, what you are looking for is you pick up a shirt and go, this is weird. If you think it looks weird, then it might be unique. Give it a chance. What was my reaction when I first saw these sleeves? I kind of went, whoa, what the heck? That's a whole lot of sleeve. And often when that happens, my first reaction is to keep moving and just chuckle. But I tried it on, and look how much more interesting this blouse is than your white, crisp button down. I want to plug this in. I want to plug this into my pants here for a little more shape. And I'm wearing these with normal jeans just to show you that, yes, you could do the crisp white button down, but you could also do something very unique and memorable and fun. And I think you're going to have a good time in something like this. I mean, unless you're trying to like bake bread. You don't want to knead dough in this shirt. Change your oil. I mean, think about what you're doing. And I'm sure that this shirt was passed over by most people. They looked at the sleeves and went, oh my gosh, hee hee hee, and then they just walked away. Meanwhile, I walk by and go, that's weird. I know I need to try it on. If you think it's weird, try it on. Little gold belt, little gold strappy sandals. Yes, please. Probably some big gold hoops. Or let the shirt shine with just some simple little dangly ones. I love these with the blue porcelain look that I have in my store if you like them. And this is an unusual color for me. Don't be afraid to try new things. I think I would also love this shirt with some leopard pants or a leopard skirt. What else could we look for if we're looking for a unique wardrobe? Another thing you'll be looking for is something that causes a reaction from you, something that causes you to squeal with delight. And in this case, it was this blouse that was very sheer, and it has this delicate little pattern. I just loved it so much, even though it wasn't in a fabric that I was really excited about. It's not silk. In fact, I think it's just polyester. But it was the pattern, it was the sheerness, it was this little bow. I knew it was going to hang so well, and I squealed with delight. Even though I knew I wasn't going to love this fabric, I loved everything else. It was the squeal that cued me into, you've got something unique here. So once again, I'll just show it with my jeans, just to show you that, yeah, you're choosing this over your tank top, over your t-shirt, over your crisp white button down, over your French girl mariniere. What I've got here is something that makes me feel very feminine. I love the little red flowers. I just feel delightful in this. And guess what? It weighs nothing, and it could pack down as small as a scarf, so it'd be a great shirt to take traveling. So sometimes you don't get everything you want all in one item, but if it gets a nice reaction out of you, definitely give it a second look. Are you ready for the one piece of advice you won't hear anywhere else on any other fashion channel? I'm not kidding. This is something I totally swear by. Don't be afraid to shop the Halloween section of the thrift store. It's the best. The Halloween section is a gold mine for unique items. Of course, you have to sort past all of the real Halloween costumes that are made of junk. What the thrift store employees do is they save their weirdest items that come in all year long for the Halloween section. Treasure trove of uniqueness. What do you wear with a pair of pants like this? I don't know. We're going to try this. All I do know is that you can wear something with them, and nobody else is going to have them. You can wear this. You can wear this if you love it. You can wear anything you love. If you really want to let these pants be themselves, just stick to black accessories like these black slingbacks or this grown-up purse. I like how this peplum blouse echoes the shape of the little peplum tassels. I have to do this in order to show what these pants really are. And what was my reaction when I saw these pants? I think it was like, Oh, oh my goodness, wow. and that's what told me you must try these on. Where would I wear them? Holiday party, fancy dinner, cat cafe. Can you imagine? What a disaster. Not the cat cafe. One thing you should always do is choose colors that you adore. Even if that means it's not your best color. You just love the color because you'll be happy. And I love orange. So when I saw this dress, I of course squealed with delight because I love orange. I love ruffles. So I kept these hairy leg pants on underneath, and I have to be careful because now kittens are awake. What is this? You want to see? He's sleepy, so I don't think this is going to be as crazy as it could be, and I don't want it to be as crazy as it could be. So I've kept these pants on with this dress because I think it's truly unique. But I'm just telling you, choose a color you love and you will be delighted. And then maybe choose something weird to go with it if you want to be unique. How does choosing a color that you love equal having a unique wardrobe? Well, everybody's got a color that they love, or two, or three. And they're not the colors that everybody loves. Choose those colors and put them together. I love orange, pinks, and reds. I love colors that you would use for Valentine's Day. Just put them all together. Because this video isn't about being chic or elegant or flattering. This is about being unique. This is about being the youest you possible. And if you love orange and red, wear them together. Let's just do a quick view of this dress on its own. I think it's perfectly lovely, and yes, it's normal. And if you would like to make it more unique, pair it with an interesting bag. Maybe a green bag because you like garden colors. I certainly do. It's still a very standard outfit, but maybe I could add a scarf. Whatever I end up doing, as long as I'm choosing pieces that I truly love, I'm going to make it work. I've always liked this giant blue and white cotton scarf. It's humongous. And of course, yes, it goes together. I love it. Yes, it's big and bunchy up here, but I like it that way. And whatever you like is legal. Well, at least I think it is. Don't quote me on that. Because I don't know what you like. Could be super weird. Everything I like is legal. Let's tie it around here. That's pretty too. Just do what you want. Do what you love. Be yourself. You can't be anyone else. And number 5, for choosing your most unique wardrobe that you are going to love, is actually choosing colors that look best on you, even if they're not your favorite. For me, it's light blue. Hi guys. I thought you might want to see them by the end of the video. I have never really chosen light blue before, but after I had my color seasons done, I found out that light blue works great on me. So I want to own some pieces that are light blue and near my face so I can look great. But then I want to add unique pieces on top of that. I'm just going to carry a weird little clutch. Let's do a scarf. And then choose some comfortable shoes, comfortable to you, something that's going to make you feel great. Even if it doesn't exactly suit the outfit perfectly, choose what you love. And if what you love is white cowboy boots, then do it. Because what you love goes together. And for me, I love scarves. I love really good fabric like this cotton. I love these cowboy boots for making everything interesting. And I love a weird little bag. Therefore, it goes together. Says me. Says Butters. If you love it, it goes together. Picking out a unique wardrobe isn't as hard as you think. Stay tuned for part 2 of this 3-part series of picking out your most unique wardrobe that you'll love. See you in the next one.